Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab in Cookingdom. This popular dish, often featured in later levels, requires careful attention to detail. You'll engage in several fun minigames, from precise chopping to perfect cooking, ensuring every step is enjoyable. Get ready to create a truly magnificent meal that will delight your virtual customers. To begin your king crab culinary adventure, first secure your main ingredient, the king crab itself. You'll also need to gather essential accompaniments, such as rich butter, to bring out its natural sweetness. Make sure your virtual kitchen is fully stocked with all the required tools, from cutting boards to cooking pans, before you start. Now for the exciting part, cooking. Start by cleaning and preparing your king crab, often involving a precise chopping minigame. Next, cook the crab until it reaches perfect doneness, which might involve a timing challenge. Finally, enhance its flavor by adding a generous amount of butter and any other required seasonings, creating a truly delicious dish. Once your king crab is cooked, the final touch is presentation. Carefully arrange the crab on a plate, aiming for an appealing and professional look. Consider adding a small garnish, like a fresh herb or a lemon slice, for extra flair. Serve your beautifully prepared king crab quickly to earn maximum points and keep your Cookingdom patrons happy and coming back for more.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.